see if it's gonna work. All right. So this online course is pretty straightforward. What you want to do is just watch videos and do the homework and complete the final exam and midterm exam. Let me share the screen with you guys so you know what are going to be covered in the class. So there are 5 modules. Let's come back to Canvas modules. Module 0 covers all these basic information for this class. If you click the first link, you can see all these basic information, including what are these modules are in this class. And if you click next, which is instructor information, right? That's required. I have to put this kind of thing in there. But you can contact me whenever you need by email. All right, so these ones are, just not super important. So let's move on to the modules. Let's see what that looks like in the first module. So there are 5 modules for this class, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there will be a midterm exam and a final exam. And the time for these 2 exams are May the 22nd and the last day of the class, June the 5th. And it's going to be a closed book, closed notes exam for 90 minutes. And I may ask you guys to turn on the Zoom video when you are doing the exam. So it's going to be fair for everybody for the test. And the way to follow this course, since I was trying to make it simple, because I have attended some of the other training courses, which is in the online form in Canvas. I have to do the quiz, do the multi-selection, multi-option problems, and all these kind of different problems. I think sometimes that is confusing, so that's why I don't prefer that way. I just made it simple. If you have been in my other classes, you'll know that I usually record my videos and I upload the notes to my website as well. So I'm going to keep the same format in this class as well. If you click the first module, there will be a very fundamental overview for this module. And after you read all these contents on this page, you can try some of the examples at the bottom of the page. And the main thing will be the videos. So the videos are very similar to the videos I have taught in other classes, okay? But the only difference is they are shorter because there's no conversation with the students. It doesn't like in the regular classroom, I have conversations, ask questions, and have quizzes sometimes. But these are just like a monologue, right? Just myself. And usually for the class videos, they are only 20 minutes. And there are probably like multiple videos per module. For the first module, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 videos and about 20-something minutes per video. And you can see that for the notes, for all the videos. I merged them into one PDF file. If you click, it's going to show up in the browser. And you can see all these notes. These are what I wrote during the video, right? And also, there is a homework package. Again, the homework problem package for the entire course can be found here. So you can click this PDF and download it. But however, since I was asked to do that, so actually after every sub-module, probably there are 1 or 2 sub-modules in every module, and there will be a link to download the homework package, but they are exactly the same package. You don't have to download this multiple times. If you have download once, you'll see that all the problems are included into this PDF. So these are all these homework problems you are going to work on during the summer for this class. So you can see module 1, 1.1, 1.2 until 1.9, and totally 100 points. If I didn't make a mistake sometimes, I maybe like 10 points over some. Hopefully not. I think I checked this twice. So it should be 100 points for every module, and you just need to turn in that homework assignments once a week. Okay, so module 1, because there are 5 modules. 5 modules, you have 5 weeks to complete these 5 modules. But however, you don't have to just do 1 module per week. If you can do it faster, just go ahead. You can complete 5 modules in 2 weeks, in 3 weeks, doesn't matter at all. But we are not trying to accommodate everybody for the time for the midterm and final exam. So it's going to be the same time period, the same time point for the midterm and final. Okay? Let's take a look at the homework assignments. So they are all of them. You just need to complete all the homework assignments in 5 weeks. So that's module 1. Okay, 5 videos. And all the other modules are super similar to the module 1. Just keep working, keep going, keep going. But here's one thing, because I sometimes, not all of you, but sometimes students may prefer skipping some of the modules and doing the other modules they are interested in sometimes, which I do not recommend. Please follow the order for all these modules, because since I set up restriction over there, you can see that if you do not turn in homework 1, you cannot actually proceed to module 2. So you have so that's a prereq in order to open module 2 and start watching the videos over there, and just keep going. But the videos are not just in Canvas. So all the videos are based on the YouTube videos I uploaded to my YouTube channel. I mean, just let you know, there are some other resource online you can work on. So go to playlist. I can see fundamentals of computer logic. There are 25 videos in there. It's the entire class. All the videos are here, right? Just let you know. But you want to follow the order as well. But you can see that whenever you click the videos, they are literally just YouTube videos, right? And when you want to ask questions, there are 3 ways to ask the questions. Okay, you can upload the question in the Q&A. Go back to modules. I think there's a Q&A session here. I haven't used this before, so this is my first time. I don't know how that works, but I think if you upload the video, upload the question over here, I should be able to see that. And other people, when they know the answer, they can reply to that question and let you guys know what their answers are, right? But I can do that as well. So this is one way to get some feedback from your peers, from myself as well. And if you like, you can comment over here as well, since I made it available. And anything, anywhere else. Again, you can also send me an email if you like for any questions. So that's just that simple. So you can see all these videos, just open the videos and do them in a specific order and submit the homework assignments and do the midterm exam and final exam. And I also want to set up some office hours during the summer, during the 5 weeks, probably 3 hours a week. I want to try Monday, Wednesday, Friday from probably 9 to 10 a.m. if that works for you. What you guys think? Any specific time? Do you prefer morning or afternoon or whatever? You can probably send me an email since I haven't made a decision yet. Okay, if you wanna let me know what are these specific hours. For example, if you have another work you have to do during the daytime, I can probably push the office hour to the late afternoon if that's better for you guys. And that's pretty much everything you need to know. Do you want to ask any questions or anything is not clear so far?
Are there going to be weekly meetings for us, like within the class itself?
Yeah, I was trying to, but I think probably not. If I have office hours, I think it's good enough. Whenever you have some personal question, you can come over for these office hours. You ask the questions. And I think this is kind of pretty important. I was thinking like I want to skip all these office hours and have group Zoom meetings for everybody. But I think that's not a spirit for office hours because I think it's the best way to give you guys feedback. I will always be there, open the Zoom meeting, and whenever you want to come over, I will admit you to the meeting. You can ask a question, and I can record all these questions as well when you're asking questions, and upload that to everybody. Probably that's a common question for everyone sometimes. And or if I see a lot of common issues from your homework assignments, I can record a video to work on some more examples and upload them to the website as well. Mornings and early afternoon works great. Okay. I prefer mornings. If mornings work for you guys, then I will do probably, is 9 too early? Probably 10 to 11, if that works. And also, for most of you have been in my circuit 1, and I have brainwashed you guys. I think you guys know how important logic is, and it is super important because if you finish logic in the summer, you are able to take microcontrollers in the fall. And I have a lot of really fancy and practical projects waiting for you guys in the fall in microcontroller class. And there are multiple skills you can learn and can help guys to find a job in the next summer, hopefully. Okay. Any other questions before I end this meeting? No? All right, sounds great. You guys can start the class whenever you like. Okay, keep in mind, you don't have to do one module per week. You can complete everything as soon as you can if you like. Right? That's it.
All right, thank you, Dr. Lee.
All right, no problem.
Dr. Lee.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
Bye.